Hello fishing friends. Today we are fishing on the Mississippi River. Gonna be fishing for all kinds of stuff. Catfish and maybe some panfish. Which, good day on the river, right? So hopefully catch some and we'll see you later. Alright, Kendall's got a big catfish on.
Fishy,
What do you got?
Fishy, come here, Fishy. I can't get him. He's big. Get him.
Oh, he ain't that big. Kendall got a catfish, a little itty bitty one.
Catfish! Yay!
Here.
Yay!
You happy? You wanna let him go, Kendall? You wanna try? No? Here, here. Let me get it. Let me see. Okay, hold him next to his little stickers, yeah. There he is. Wanna give him a kiss on the forehead? He grunted at you. You say, let me go. Alright, let's let him go. Here you go. Go on, little guy.
You don't want to touch his pokey thingies. His whiskers. Don't want to.
I got it. It's a catfish. My turn.
Small?
Yeah, he's not real big. He's probably about the same size as Kendall's last one.
There's a lot of that size all of a sudden around here. They're just lifting their feet. There he's wanting to fight a little bit.
Yeah.
Get it.
I'll just
The big
boat flip him. Got him. Oop, didn't mean to throw him that fast here.
Ooh. What's that black spots all over him?
It's channel catfish.
What's a channel catfish?
That right there.
See his whiskers?
See? That is a channel catfish.
See those things, they go and they feel around and they can smell a lot of those too, I think.
Yeah, it's her nose.
Another.
Like Arna?
Mm-hmm. That's why they call them catfish, because they look like they have whiskers. There he goes. Yeah, they get to choose after that on their birthdays whether they want to get their ears pierced. So your older sister chose her ears pierced, didn't she?
Babies have the ears pierced.
Yeah, but I don't like that. I like to give you a choice when you get older before you get mutilated. Whoa, I just spilled my pop all over myself. Yeah, pulled the pole right in. I spilled my pop all over myself. Here, Kendall, do you want to reel this one in?
Yeah, take it. Hold him
Here,
up here.
hold it up here.
Catfish. Oh, he's a big one. I feel it.
Here, get that underneath your arm.
Yeah. There.
It's a pretty big rod for a little girl.
You getting it, Kendall?
You wanted to.
Yeah,
Pole in.
he about took the whole pole in. Made me spill pop all over myself.
How hard is it to do this with a little catfish?
I don't know if this catfish is that little.
He's a fighter.
Yes, he is.
Get him. He's hard.
Keep going, Kendall. Keep reeling. Keep reeling, Kendall.
I can't get him.
Oh, yeah,
That's a nice one, Kendall. Good job. Now we see why that guy wanted to pull the pole in, didn't we?
Look at that one, Kendall.
Yeah, that's a nice. We'll keep that one for John.
I told you it
But look at me, Kendall. Look at. Sorry, I spilled pop all over your boat, John.
That's all right. We got a towel.
I figure it was better to lose the pop than the pole.
He swallowed her down, but he wanted it.
Yeah, it's better to use the pop than the pop. I want another catfish.
Oh, there you go.
Got him. I got him that time. You had the last one. Watch your other poles. Maybe we'll get a double. Little guy. Lady B is probably the one that's been robbing us. Look at him water ski.
Water skiing, fishing.
He's short, but he's a fat little guy.
Yeah, he's healthy.
It's soft up here.
Little catfish.
Oh, baby.
Grow up. We'll catch you.
I got him.
Oh, there's a better one.
Here, Kendall. You get, this ain't fair, Kendall. You get. Here, see this trigger right here? Hold on your finger on there, and tuck that tight up against your arm.
Oh, I don't know about this.
Kendall, maybe I should. You want me to reel this one, or you think you can do it?
I can do it. I reeled in that other one.
All right. This one's even. This one I think's even bigger. This one might be bigger than the other one.
He's up on the top.
Yeah. Might be foul hooked.
That's a big one.
Yeah. Kendall with another good catfish.
Ooh, that's a nice one.
I think that's even bigger than the last one, Kendall. Good job. Oh, no. He's real dark.
Yeah, he's kind of a bluish color.
That's a flathead, ain't it? That's a flathead.
No, that's a...
Is it? You sure?
Yeah, he's got a forked tail. Like
Oh, okay.
Another big catfish.
Yeah, you got another big one. That's a real blue one. That's almost more of a flathead color almost.
Ooh, he's peeing on you.
He peed on you.
Peed on my seat. That one was peeing. That was. It
Do you
peed
swallow
on
it
your
real
life
good
vest.
again?
It peed on your life
Yeah.
vest. It peed on the life vest.
It's all right.
It peed everywhere.
Okay, calm
He
down.
really had to go. He really wanted it.
You want to hold your catfish, Kendall?
No.
No?
Only with the towel.
See?
I'll leave it with the
Kinda hard to
towel.
hold.
Yeah, he's pretty hard to hold. But there's your catfish, Kendall.
Yeah.
Give him a big kiss. Give him a big kiss.
That was scary.